So this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. I have another unboxing video for you guys. We have Parfois bag, shoulder bag, purse for women. A beautiful looking shoulder bag or purse. Here we go from Parfois. In Spain they call it Parfois, Parfois. In different places people pronounce different way. Yeah, you can see Parfois, Parfois. Okay, whatever. Here we go. Let's see how it is. This beautiful looking shoulder bag with the leather in this case. Here you can see more information, www.parfois.com. you can go and see. Wow. So let me show you guys here how it is. At the front part you have a zipper. Take this, put this on here. Obviously you have paper, they put paper so they stay better in this case. After that, behind you can see you have another zipper. Lovely. I'm gonna open this one to see. Wow, beautiful here. So you have many zipper, internal, external. After that we can take this bottom off here and we can open this one. Wow, much paper to remain it harder in this case. Much paper. Yeah, Parfois authentic branding, you can see. This is Spanish or Portuguese brand if I'm not wrong in this case. In Spain everywhere you can find another zipper internal, a secret zipper for put more things inside. Quality is a good quality. Okay, I would not say totally as a guess or something as this, but the Parfois quality, not bad. Pure leather for sure. Lovely. You can see at the bottom how it is. Lovely color, good to take your things at if you are going to supermarket or other places. Even if you are traveling, you can take with you guys. Lovely. Here is stitching, premium stitching, I would say that. There is no flaw. In this case it's not a Shein product, so in this case it's a European product, guys, in this, so quality would be better. At the top you see one handle. Behind you can hang on your shoulder. You can adjust. You see this belt, so you can adjust. You have more holes. You can make it smaller, bigger as you want. You can tie this one as this. Wow, lovely. So beautiful bag from Parfois, guys. If you want to see similar product review, check the video description. I have many product from big, small, all type of companies. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.